this journey that I gave up. My boots just couldn't walk another mile. And that cloud above me had no silver lining.
Take the cap.
I couldn't buy the break with my last dime. But when I saw you standing in the corner,
No.
I'd have never thought that you would have my back. Then we rolling like the thunder and the lightning. Threw some punches, then we had a laugh. Just some roughed up desperados.
Oh, let's go. We just ended this video of alarm clock trick shot. Oh my goodness! That's a great new one of this year. Okay, so I just wanted to say about alarm clocks. Gonna be our sponsors. Oh my goodness, they were so great. If we have an alarm clock, like time to get up in the mornings, like I would say my time would be like I get up at like 5:30 in the morning. That would be so cool. But now in the mornings it's so cool. Okay, so that's our sponsors by Alarm Clock. Alright. So if you're not really up, do know the subscriber. Please subscribe on this channel. Click right there. And you know, the last video, past recent video is special features. The third video, click right there. I nailed it and I pounded, and see you next time.